Are you Nazif?
Yes, sir.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What class do you study?
I read in class 4.
What's your school's name?
The name of my school is Cantonment Public School and College Lalmonirhat.
Okay, Najib, you will make some sentences using was, where, plus, able to. Right? So what is sentence structure actually?
The structure is subject plus was or were plus able to plus verb base plus extension.
Okay, give some example.
Some example are I was able to brush my teeth. You were able to memorize the poem. Father was able to went to market.
Go to market.
Go to market. Mother was able to cook rice.
Okay, that's fine. So I'll ask some question in Bangla and you will convert into English, right? Okay. আমি গাড়ি চালাতে সক্ষম ছিলাম।
I was able to drive a car.
আমি কবিতা আবৃত্তি করতে সক্ষম ছিলাম।
I was able to recite a poem.
তুমি বিদ্যালয়ে যেতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলে।
You were able to go to school.
আমরা মাছ ধরতে সক্ষম ছিলাম।
We were able to catch fish.
ওকে। আমি গতকালকে ঘুম থেকে উঠতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলাম।
I was able to wake up
yesterday. Wake up yesterday.
Wake up yesterday.
ওকে, আমি গতকাল বিদ্যালয়ে যেতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলাম।
I was able to go to school yesterday.
ওকে। বাবা গতকাল বাজারে যেতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলেন।
Father was able to go to market.
ছেলেরা ফুটবল খেলতে সক্ষম হয়েছিল।
Boys were able to play football. Yes.
ওকে। মেয়েরা নাচতে সক্ষম ছিল।
Girls were able to dance.
ওকে। আমরা বিদ্যালয়ে যেতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলাম।
We were able to go to school.
তারা নদীতে সাঁতার কাটতে সক্ষম হয়েছিল।
They were able to swim in the river.
ওকে, সে বলটি ধরতে সক্ষম হয়েছিল।
He was able to catch the ball.
ওকে, তারা ক্রিকেট খেলতে সক্ষম হয়েছিল।
They were able to play cricket.
ওকে, বাবা কম্পিউটার চালাতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলেন।
Father was able to operate computer.
ওকে, মা রান্না করতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলেন।
Mother was able to cook rice.
ওকে, আমরা বাহিরে যেতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলাম।
We were able to go outside.
ওকে, তারা এখানে আসতে সক্ষম হয়েছিল।
They were able to come here.
ওকে, আমরা ইংলিশ শিখতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলাম।
We were able to learn English.
ওকে, আমরা নদীতে গোসল করতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলাম।
We were able to take bath in the river.
ওকে, আমরা টেলিভিশন দেখতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলাম।
We were able to watch television.
ওকে, তুমি বাইসাইকেল চালাতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলে।
You were able to ride a bicycle.
Ride a bicycle. Right, you were able to ride a bicycle. Okay, আমি কবিতা আবৃত্তি করতে সক্ষম ছিলাম।
I was able to recite a poem.
আমি রাস্তার ডানে হাঁটতে সক্ষম হয়েছিলাম।
I was able to walk
by the right
side of road.
By the right side of the road.
By the right.
And by the left side of the road means রাস্তার বামে. And by the right side of the road means রাস্তার
ডানে.
Okay, that's fine. So what's your aim in life?
My aim in life is be a doctor.
Okay, fine, that's fine. May Allah grant you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.